Alright guys, this one's just for fun. Hall & Oates, one-on-one. Got my keyboard here, my Casio keyboard beat. 2 and 3, 4. Stop for a second to get my, here we go. I'm tired of playing on the team. Oh, da, 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 da. Oh, and so forth. May not have played the chords exactly right there, but we'll fix it. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here for this great song from the 80s. Just love Hall & Oates. It's great how just a piece of music, a song, can take you back, to the feelings and of the younger days. So what I did, I had just a regular beat, did it, and adjusted it to the right tempo, and then I had a vibraphone sound with heavy reverb and chorus, and then I did a split where I have the bass guitar in there in the bass. So I guess I can show it to you that way as I do it. You can do it on piano too, of course. I just like to mess around with these sounds. And you may too if you have a keyboard. So what's going on at the beginning is just kind of a mixture of sound to make a color here. Bum, bum. So we just have I don't think the bass comes in at first. You just... and it comes in there. But... we have B, C, D, just the vibraphone sound, there we go, B, C, D, and I'm going to turn my thumb sideways for B, C, then D will be with my second finger, E is with my third finger, so that mixture of notes there, B on the top, bum, ba, dum, so bum, ba, dum, and then here the same chord, da, bum, bum, so you play the whole chord, and the top, leave the top note out. So bum ba dum, bum bum, do 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 do. No, the split. Bum ba dum. So there at C F A C 2 times in CFA. Just leaving the top note out. Left hand is on G. Bum 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 bum. So remember, it's a bass guitar. Do 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 do. Da dum. So you do that again. CFAC. Da da da. Then the bass guitar goes E D E. Now this will work, of course, just on a plain piano sound without any drums or anything. But let's try it now. 2 and 3 and go. I just like bass at the beginning. Off. Da da da. And that's when the cool keyboard part starts. And for that, I think I'm going to use vibraphone and grand piano mix with still reverb and chorus on it. And then I have da 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 da. Oh, da 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 da. Oh, don't know the words, but I know the melody and love it. So there's our part 1 for that. Maybe that'll inspire you guys to mess around with your keyboards a little bit. You can do a whole lot of things with just a few settings on your nowadays ones. So you can just spend hours messing around there, tinkering. I hope you guys enjoyed that. The part 2 will be on webpianoteacher.com. If you want to email me, it's easypianolessons@yahoo.com. If you want to talk to me about a lifetime membership or getting on the hard request list, stuff like that. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed it. Talk to you later.